How's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is You May Roscoe, and I am Roscoe. And today we're going to be doing a reaction to somebody who I haven't reacted to before, actually to somebody, because I came here because of Nelly Furtado, who, like I said, I haven't reacted to before, and not really familiar with her music like that, even though I've heard of her, from like back in the day a little bit, but also Drake is here, so we'll be checking out these two as they perform Promiscuous and I'm Like a Bird, and they performed this during Toronto History in 2022. So we'll be checking this out. Before we do that, I do want to ask for anybody who hasn't that they please subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Also, make sure that you go over to both Nelly's homepage and Drake's homepage. Well, Nelly for time. I got to make that. I got to be specific. I forget that there is a Nelly out, even though we're right here in Nelly Furtado videos. You know, but yeah, no, go over to both of these people's home pages and do the same thing, which is hit the sub button, hit the notification bell because we do want to support the artists. And I'm gonna get this started. Like I said, haven't had a chance to get into any Nelly Furtado. This will be the start of that. So let's do it.
Is the last one in the clip. But the clip was extended. I don't know if you knew that. So I was not playing games tonight. But thank goodness I'm a nice, humble, well-spoken. I like to deal with people the right way because that's the only way that you could get this next person out of the house to come do what they're gonna do right now. So I don't care how loud you sang tonight. No, light man, down. Why? I don't care how loud you sang tonight. Right now, I need you to sing as loud as you possibly can because this right here took a lot. I love each and every one of you. We are from the greatest city on planet Earth. I've been everywhere. But this next person's music changed my life so much. I love her with all my heart. So when she comes out here, you better show her some fucking love too. Let's go.
Okay, so okay, that was an introduction. I don't know, but I just want to. Why is that the most replayed part? I don't know. That's crazy. But let's push this back and then let's go ahead and start up. Let's hear Nelly now. Let's get it.
She comes out here, you better show her some fucking love too. Let's go. This is your choir tonight. I want to prove something to you.
Okay.
I want to prove something to you. They can sing, they have beautiful voices.
I want to hear it.
I'm going to show you. Watch, play the tune. Go.
That man said that's her choir out. I don't know if they that good, or they'll be on stage. But let's hear Nelly sing. Let's do that. Let's get it.
It's all about love. You're beautiful. You'll never but it's never. I won't ever change. Focus, yeah. And though my love is, though my love is true. I don't know where
I know everybody's tired. I know we've been here. Oh, you're not tired now. Oh, you got all your gas up now.
I'm not tired either. Shit, we barely did any work. Nelly got out there and said a few things, whatever, saying like a bar or two per song, but at least one thing came out of this, and this will be the last time that I stop it before I restart. But I have heard these songs. I was coming in thinking like I wouldn't be familiar with this stuff, but when I hear Promiscuous, I was like, okay, I've heard that before. And then this fly, I'm Like a Bird, I've definitely heard that. I had no clue that that was Nelly Furtado either. I don't know. That's crazy. But let's go ahead, push this back just a tiny bit more here. Let's do that, and then we'll go ahead and finish out.
I know everybody's tired. I know we've been here. Oh, you're not tired now. Oh, you got all your gas up now. Oh, your gas up now. Oh, party set the tone. Your gas up now. That's what it is. All right, well, look. If you're from Toronto, right? And you grew here, you were raised here, you lived here, whatever it is, you know that on this specific night, there's only one thing left to do. Do you know what that thing is left to do? Do you know what it is? Does anybody know? There's only one song left to perform. What is it? What could it be? Let me tell you something. Before we do this, I want you to make some noise for everybody on the stage. Because like I said, the streets that we walk, the restaurants we eat at, the clubs that we go to, the way that we speak, the aspirations and dreams that we have.
What the fuck, Jake? Oh my God. I'm thinking I'm walking into something great, but yeah, let me push this back. I'm gonna do some cutting up about this once it's over with. Let's finish.
Before we do this, I want you to make some noise for everybody on the stage. Because like I said, the streets that we walk, the restaurants we eat at, the clubs that we go to, the way that we speak, the aspirations and dreams that we have were shaped by each and every one of these individuals for me. So again, I've done a lot of things in my life, I've done a lot of shows in my life, but this is the most important night of my life because I finally got to pay it forward to the people that I really, really, really inspire.
All right, let's stop it here. That was the end of it. Shit. Now I know what people feel like when they hear me over talk. Like, yeah. Now I know what it feels like to be on the side of me a little bit. Like, oh, that's what people like when I'm just you just like, okay, now let's get to it. But this was Drake and Nelly Furtado, or whatever little bit of performance we got from them in this. And Promiscuous and I'm Like a Bird. This I mean, you know what was cool about this, you know, because there wasn't much of a performance really with this, but it just this really just speaks to like the energy at certain shows versus other performances, namely, a concert that's geared towards younger people and stuff like that versus you know, is something that's geared towards, older, more mature audiences, But and not to say that these people aren't mature, it's just a different vibe in this place. So, in these type of environments, you can't you could be a responsible person who just decides I'm gonna let my hair down, today. But this would be that environment right here to do that in. And I've been at a lot of these. I've been in these type of settings, and I love it. I just love the energy. Whether there's a performance happening, well, it would have to be a performance happening, um, but yeah, no, the energy of these places, the oneness that everybody feels because everybody's here for that one reason, So, um, yeah, no, I pretty much have enjoyed these type of settings like every single time I've been in them, um, so yeah, that's what this speaks to more than anything. It wasn't much performing being done, but at least it opened up the door for me to go down, this Nelly Furtado rabbit hole that I'm gonna end up going down because I still need to hear, you know, what this stuff sounds like and what her catalog sounds like. And I'm gonna end up doing other reactions to probably these two songs probably separately, going down, down the road. But yeah, no, good stuff. I'm gonna stop before I keep on talking. I'm gonna just got through talking about Drake, and here I am. But, yeah, no, this is I'm gonna just give a thumbs up just for the energy. I don't want to because the note or two that Nelly hit. She showed she could sing, I suppose, but yeah, a lot of talking between me and Drake. It was a lot, But I'm gonna leave. But before I do, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the share button, hit the playlist option. You'll pick the one named Nelly Furtado Reactions. I will create a playlist for her. So you guys can go ahead, start suggesting any Nelly Furtado songs that you want me to react to. Get in the comment section, do that. But yeah, all of her stuff is going to be in this playlist that I'm just creating. So check for that. I do have playlists for other artists, a lot of great music by those artists, a lot of different genres of music. So when you get the chance, please check that stuff out. Cash App, $ you made Roscoe, PayPal at you made Roscoe. Super thanks option is available for those who like to show their support or appreciation for what's being done on the page. Any donations will be made to any of those spots. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. So I'm gonna leave. You're gonna leave. We're gonna come back and do this again. But the next time we come back and do this, we're gonna get performances. Like not just a lot of the crowd singing and a lot of yakety yakety yak and yeah. But yeah. Till next time. Be safe and be good.